Monitoring and measurement of the process. IATF 16949 Requirement 9.1.1.1, SPC core tools, and many CSRs. Compliance. This is more emphasis on special characteristics, focusing on process studies of new manufacturing processes and special characteristics at PPAP submittal and ongoing. Also a focus on measuring the process by measuring the characteristics of the product, including inspection plans, measurement techniques, and records of the actual measurements, and reaction plans for non-conforming inspections. This is the top 10 IATF 16949 CB major nonconformance. Also part of this requirement is a review of ongoing process capability and reaction if below baseline, with 100% inspection and actions to correct. Also ensuring significant events such as tool change and machine repair are documented and analyzed for impact to the process control. This requirement may also include SPC to monitor special characteristic process and characteristics. Best practices. Number 1, SPC application for all SCs identified by the customer and the organization for ongoing process capability control. Number 2, the control plan is being followed and all inspections are performed using competent evaluators and the correct measurement systems. By the correct measurement systems, we mean a system that has been evaluated using measurement system analysis and has at least 10 times resolution to what is being measured. Number 3, all inspection data is being documented and evaluated to ensure compliance to the engineering requirements, as well as maintaining process control. Number 4, any abnormal process input, such as tool change, machine repair, new operator, new supplier, is closely monitored and measured to ensure the process does not drop out of control and the customer is protected. Looking at CB hot buttons. Number 1, a lack of special characteristic process management and not aware of ongoing process control versus PPAP submittal. Number 2, not recording all inspection data, for instance, variable data only saying OK versus the actual number. Number 3, not following inspection requirements defined by the control plan. Number 4, not using inspection methods called out on customer drawings. Number 5, operators not competent as inspectors. And number 6, non-conforming product not being properly controlled or segregated. What I've seen as a CB auditor, the good. A machining organization had good control of the special characteristics and the process from launch through mass production. Special characteristics had initial process capability reviews and analysis completed. Line side SPC for the SCs, both internal and external, had good control and understanding of the data by the operators. The control plans, FMEAs, work instructions, all included the SCs and all represented the process well, with determined methods of inspection and analysis of the inspection data. Ongoing process capability was completed on a schedule to determine if the process continued to be capable, and variation was reviewed and the process tweaked to address common causes and eliminate special causes. The bad. Inspections were performed as required by the work instructions, although the work instructions, inspection frequency, and methods did not conform to the control plan. Process capabilities for SCs were performed at PPAP, but ongoing process capabilities were not in place, nor any SPC activities for SCs in the organization. A major nonconformity was identified. The ugly. A stamper machining assembly organization had, number 1, SCs identified on the customer drawing but did not manage or inspect throughout the manufacturing process. Number 2, did not have initial process capability nor ongoing process capability. Number 3, no SCs on any of the APQP documents, including the work instructions and control plans. Number 4, inspections performed did not match work instructions nor the control plan. Number 5, inspection data was recorded as OK or no good instead of variable data that could be used for analysis. Many major nonconformities were identified. Number 5, operators not competent inspectors. And number 6, non-conforming product not being properly controlled or segregated.